to my channel. If you're new here, I am Aminata and I film organization and lifestyle videos. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys my spring haul. So I have some items that I bought for my spring home decoration. By the way, I haven't got everything that I wanted because most of the shops here are closed and I went shopping late, so I couldn't get everything. But for the few things that I have, I am going to be sharing with you guys. And so with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first item that I have here is this throw blanket and pink, and it's pretty soft and comfortable. It's so cozy. So I picked it up from Teddy and it was €9.99. So I love it. I love the raffle details on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And my theme for the spring is going to be pink, beige and white and a touch of greens. I'm just gonna make my home feel all springy and all that. I got this cushions, sofa cushions from Teddy as well. I got 2 of them, and in pink of course, and each of them was $4.99, which was really a very good price. So I got 2 of these gorgeous pillows. So my next item are these 2 sofa pillows that I also got from Teddy, and they are so gorgeous. They are in beige or cream. It's just in the neutral color tone, which I love. I also love the ruffle details right here on them. They're so gorgeous, and I got each of them for $4.99 as well. And I also got this this long vase from Teddy as well. Super gorgeous and so inexpensive. Like when I saw the price, I was pretty much surprised because it looks so expensive and gorgeous, and it cost only €4.99. I saw the same one at another store, and it was pretty much more expensive than this one. So yeah, this was a good buy. So moving on to the next item, guys, I picked up this gorgeous blushy rug from, I guess I got this one from Globus. Surprisingly, it was under €10. Okay, the fur is so soft. And next, guys, is at these egg lights. Like they use this battery. That's a battery case right here, and they are so cute. Got it from Teddy and it was €3.99. Here with me I have some gorgeous eggs. I love the fact that they are in pink and they also have this golden details on them. I don't know if you guys can see, but they are super gorgeous, and they also have some ribbon bows. They're the cute little eggs ever. I got them from Globus and they were €2.99 each pack, and they are a pack of 6 each. So yeah. And speaking of Easter eggs, I also got some of these cute eggs. I got a big one and 2 smaller ones, white ones, and they also have this golden details on them. I hope you guys can see the details. They are so cute, guys. Like, I'm in love with these ones. I also got this one from I think I got this one from Keek. Yeah, I got this ones from Keek, and they were, the smaller ones were €1 each, and the bigger one was $1.99. Absolutely gorgeous. So what is decorating for spring or Easter without the bunnies? So I got me this cute little bunny. This was also from Keek. Absolutely sweet. A bunny with a little egg. How cute is that, guys? I love it. Like, it's the cutest bunny ever. And oh, it was $2.99. Not bad at all for this cutie. I also got this gorgeous mirror tray. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got this golden details all around it, and of course a mirror at the center. This was from Kik. Absolutely gorgeous for 12 euros. Look at this gorgeous tall candle stands. They are so pretty with all the stone details all around them, and of course a silvery stand. So I got this pretty stands from Garden Center, which is the Baumarkt. I got it from Baumarkt. So yes, they are so gorgeous, guys, and they were on sale. The initial price was 14 euros and it was on sale for 10 euro each. So I got me 2 of them. They are so cute, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So stunning. I love them. Now guys, this is the most like gorgeous thing ever. I know I keep saying everything is gorgeous, but I love this cage. I love this. It's so cute, guys. Look at that. Just take a look at this. I don't know if you can see the bunny inside. There's a little bunny inside the cage and also some trees in there. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that. How cute is that? And it comes with this hanger. If you like, you can hang it or just place it to stand on a surface. This is lovely. So I got this from Globus and it was €3.49. €3.49 for that. It was kind of pricey, to be honest, but it's so cute. It's cute. I love it. Next with me is this pretty little vase. I got this flower vase from IKEA. Guys, I couldn't remember how much I got this for, but it was not on the pricey side at all. I'm just gonna be putting a rose flower there or some kind of flower and it's gonna look amazing. I got the scented candle from IKEA as well. It misplaced my receipt and I don't really have the price offhand. And this is in the flavor, gosh, it smells so divine. It smells so good, guys. It's a vanilla flavor and look at that. I love it. I love scented candles. I got this wall hanger, Decor kind of hat. It's in a hat form and on it is written springtime. I don't know if you can see that, but it is absolutely beautiful. It was from Aldi and it was €7.50. Yeah, somewhere around that. Next are these cute little Easter eggs. Yeah, they were from Kik and they were €1.59. I also got this raffia or hay deco thing. I got it from Globus and I think it was €1. Can't remember exactly, but yeah, I got this from Kik and it was €1. Another candle, absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells lavender. This was from the Baumarkt. I love scented candles, like seriously. They're like a therapy to me. And the packaging is lit. It's lit like a candle, lit like a candle, lit. So guys, lastly, I got this cute, beautiful flowers in white and in pink blush. And they were on the pricey side. So each of them was €4.95 for each. They were kind of pricey. But they're beautiful. They are the perfect deco flowers for spring, with all the spring colors on them, the greens, the pink, the whites, and all that. And I got it from Nanu Nana. That's what the store is called, Nanu Nana. So guys, by the way, a disclaimer, none of these things are sponsored, so this is not a sponsored video. It is all bought by me, not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored, but it's not a sponsored video. So guys, that is all for my spring decor haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and do all the lovely things. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.